Mitika, can you have you Koli? Oh, Koli, right. Koli, have you recite the poem?
Yes, sir, I have.
Okay, what is the name of the poem?
Name of the poem is Shall I Compare?
Shall I
Compare.
compare? আচ্ছা এখান থেকে বলবো। And who is the writer of the poem? বলো দূর থেকে বলো। এমনি বলো।
The writer is William Shakespeare.
William Shakespeare's very nice poem. And what is the first line of the poem?
The first line poem is Shall I compare to a summer's day?
Summer's day. And can you tell me what is the metaphor of this line?
The metaphor is summer's day.
Summer's day. And can you why they use summer's day? The poet.
To compare the beauty of his beloved.
Beloved. Okay. Okay. Very nice. Mitika, stand up. Have you learned?
Yes, sir.
What is the name of the poem?
The name of poem Shall I Compare?
Shall I compare? Okay. Who was the writer in this poem?
Morse Old.